Okay, so in this video we will discuss how to make a bar. Okay, this bar, how to make the bar with respect to the percentage score. So here is the very simple thing. What you need to do, just use equal to, and then there is the one function ref. Okay, and then here I am passing the repetition. Okay, reference and L. Okay, and now I am telling you do this put it. Okay, so this is the function, and now you can see there is the insert this graph means bar is in, bar is in. So what the if I write here what the thing I'm using left. Okay, just equal to you need to pass, then I will repeat the L. Okay, how many time I will repeat with this score. Okay, so that I will pass, and I will create the means here means you need to pass the reference. When you pass the reference, okay, you can create this type of the bar. So now, now you can drag and you will get the respective this what you can say the bar for each score. Okay, and already we discussed now how to do this adjustment, column wise, row wise adjustment, that already we discussed in the one previous video, how to do the automatic adjustment of the column and the automatic adjustment of the row. So that command is again if I write here, so that is equal to alt plus what you need to do. I think uh, we already discussed. So HOI, then your all the column will be set automatically, and when you press alt HOA, then your row will be means automatically set. So here actually row I need to set. So what I need to do all the data I'm selecting here, then alt HOI, that's it. Then automatically you will get all the adjustment, and now it's so here I'm selecting all this, and now here you can select the play bill. Okay, so when you select the play bill in this format style, then maybe it will look more dark. Like that you can create the bar graph. It's look like a bar. Okay, so actually here not it is select first. Okay, you can say, and you can create as a bold piece, miss that up to you what you want to do. Okay, so this is the function reft equal to reft, and then pass I, and this reference you need to pass, and then just so this is the video for making a bar inside your Excel sheet. Thank you.